Want to make your code crazy fast with just one or two lines? Today, I'll show you two Python tricks that feel like you're coding with superpowers. And no, you don't need any magic, just set and a little LRU cache love. Let's go speed up your code. Let's start with the first example, the classic Fibonacci function. Now, this version is simple and looks clean, but it's painfully slow for larger numbers. Why? Because it recalculates the same values over and over and over again. For example, just to compute fib35, it ends up calling fib34 and fib33, which then call their own subvalues, and it becomes a recursive nightmare. So, what can we do about it? Well, Python gives us a magic decorator called LRU cache, and it's like giving your function a memory. Once it computes a value, it stores it. Next time it needs that same value, boom, instant result, no more recalculating. When we rerun the exact same fib35's function, but this time with @LRU cache, the result is identical. But the speed difference? Insane. We're talking milliseconds instead of seconds. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a rocket ship. So yeah, one line, huge difference, and that's the power of caching. Now here's the thing. I created a massive list by repeating four names 10 million times. So yeah, we've got a list with 40 million entries. That's a lot of Alice's and Charlie's. When I try to search for Charlie in this huge list, Python checks one by one, and that takes time. But when I convert the list into a set, the total number of unique names is still just 4. And now Python can find Charlie almost instantly using its internal hash table. So if you're doing lots of lookups in big data, always think, do I really need a list or should I use a set instead? And just like that, your Python code is faster. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.